How it changed the world. The Industrial Revolution was a period of rapid industrialization that occurred in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. It was a time of great change and innovation, as new technologies and manufacturing processes transformed the way goods were produced and distributed. The Industrial Revolution had a profound impact on the world, shaping the modern economy and laying the foundation for many of the technological advancements we enjoy today. At the heart of the Industrial Revolution was the development of new machines and manufacturing processes that allowed for mass production of goods. This was made possible by a number of key inventions, including the steam engine, the power loom, and the spinning jenny. These machines allowed for the production of textiles, iron, and other goods on a scale that had never been seen before. The Industrial Revolution also saw the rise of new industries, such as coal mining, iron production, and steel manufacturing. These industries were fueled by the demand for raw materials and the need for energy to power the new machines. The growth of these industries led to the creation of new jobs and the expansion of urban areas as people moved from rural areas to work in the factories. Despite the many benefits of the Industrial Revolution, it also had its downsides. The working conditions in the factories were often harsh, with long hours and low pay. Child labor was also common, with children as young as 6 or 7 working in the factories. The growth of industry also led to environmental problems, such as pollution and deforestation. Overall, the Industrial Revolution was a period of great change and innovation that transformed the world in ways that are still felt today. In the following segments, we will explore the key developments and innovations of the Industrial Revolution and their impact on society and the economy. How it changed the world. One of the most important inventions of the Industrial Revolution was the steam engine. The steam engine was first developed by James Watt in the late 18th century and was used to power a wide range of machines, from textile mills to locomotives. The steam engine revolutionized transportation, allowing goods and people to be transported more quickly and efficiently than ever before. Steam-powered ships and trains made it possible to transport goods and people across long distances, opening up new markets and opportunities for trade. The steam engine also had a profound impact on manufacturing. Prior to the steam engine, factories were powered by water or wind, which limited their location and output. With the steam engine, factories could be located anywhere and could produce goods on a much larger scale. The steam engine also played a key role in the development of the iron and steel industries. The Bessemer process, developed in the mid-19th century, used steam-powered machinery to produce large quantities of high-quality steel. This made it possible to build larger and stronger structures, such as bridges and skyscrapers. However, the steam engine also had its downsides. The burning of coal to power the steam engine led to air pollution and contributed to the rise of respiratory diseases. The steam engine also led to the displacement of workers in traditional industries, such as agriculture and handicrafts. Despite these challenges, the steam engine remains one of the most important inventions of the Industrial Revolution and paved the way for many of the technological advancements that followed. How it changed the world. The factory system was another key development of the Industrial Revolution. Prior to the Industrial Revolution, goods were produced in small workshops or in the homes of individual craftsmen. The factory system changed this by bringing together large numbers of workers and machines in a single location. The factory system allowed for the mass production of goods on a scale that had never been seen before. Workers were organized into specialized tasks, with each worker responsible for a specific part of the production process. This made it possible to produce goods more quickly and efficiently than ever before. The factory system also led to the growth of urban areas as people moved from rural areas to work in the factories. This led to the development of new forms of housing, such as tenements, and the rise of urban poverty. However, the factory system also had its downsides. The working conditions in the factories were often harsh, with long hours and low pay. Workers were often subjected to dangerous conditions, such as exposure to chemicals and machinery accidents. Child labor was also common, with children as young as 6 or 7 working in the factories. Despite these challenges, the factory system transformed the way goods were produced and distributed. It paved the way for the development of new industries and the growth of the modern economy. How it changed the world. The textile industry was one of the first industries to be transformed by the Industrial Revolution. Prior to the Industrial Revolution, textiles were produced by hand in small workshops or in the homes of individual craftsmen. The development of new machines, such as the spinning jenny and the power loom, changed this by allowing for the mass production of textiles. The textile industry was one of the largest employers during the Industrial Revolution, with many workers employed in factories and mills. The growth of the textile industry led to the development of new technologies and manufacturing processes, such as the use of interchangeable parts and the development of new materials. The textile industry also played a key role in the development of new forms of transportation, such as the steam-powered ship and the locomotive. The demand for textiles led to the growth of international trade and the development of new markets. However, the growth of the textile industry also had its downsides. The working conditions in the factories were often harsh, with long hours and low pay. Child labor was also common, with children as young as 6 or 7 working in the factories. Despite these challenges, the textile industry transformed the way goods were produced and distributed. It paved the way for the development of new industries and the growth of the modern economy. How it changed the world. The Industrial Revolution had a profound impact on society, transforming the way people lived and worked. The growth of industry led to the rise of new social classes, such as the industrial bourgeoisie and the working class. The growth of industry also led to the development of new forms of transportation and communication, such as the steam-powered ship and the telegraph. This made it possible to transport goods and people more quickly and efficiently than ever before and allowed for the rapid spread of information and ideas. The Industrial Revolution also had a significant impact on the environment. The burning of coal to power the new machines led to air pollution and contributed to the rise of respiratory diseases. The growth of industry also led to deforestation and the destruction of natural habitats. Despite these challenges, the Industrial Revolution paved the way for many of the technological advancements that we enjoy today. It transformed the way goods were produced and distributed, and laid the foundation for the modern economy. In conclusion, the Industrial Revolution was a period of great change and innovation that transformed the world in ways that are still felt today. It had its upsides and downsides, but overall, it paved the way for many of the technological advancements that we enjoy today and shaped the modern economy and society.